Hello friends, this is Ram and I am a co-founder and director of Mad Over Insurance. People say we eat, sleep, think only insurance. So we are bringing you interesting videos related to insurance and customer experiences. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Mad Over Insurance and also follow our website www.madoverinsurance.com and also our social platforms. Hello friends, welcome to Mad Over Insurance, your guide for insurance. Let us understand the concept of insurance today. We all will be annoyed to pay insurance premiums, right? Yes, because we all feel insurance is an expenditure. Okay, let us understand the concept of insurance, and at the end of the video, let us come to a conclusion whether insurance is an expenditure or a right investment. Now, the concept of insurance. By paying a little premium to an insurance company, how does the insurance company pay you a loss, whatever has happened to you? How does this work? Why should this insurance company bear so much of loss? Yes, just like one person, insurance company collects premiums from multiple people across the country. If the population is 140 plus crore, the insurance company collects majority of the premiums and it calculates the claims, expected claims, and then it decides this premium. For example, if I need to pay a health insurance of 20,000 this year, the insurance company decides for this 20,000, I will be covering you a minimum of 5 lakhs coverage. That means when I am hospitalized, my coverage will be up to 5 lakh rupees for paying a premium of 20,000, and this will be per annum premium. So every year, if I pay a premium of 20,000, I will be safeguarded with a coverage of 5 lakhs every year whenever I get hospitalized. Okay, now what if I don't get hospitalized? Will the insurance company pay back this 20,000 to you? No. This 20,000 is the assumption that you would come across a risk of 5 lakhs, but not necessarily everyone who pays this premium of 20,000 will have a claim. That's the reason insurance companies collect a minimum amount from multiple people and gives this amount to the person who is affected or hospitalized. That's how the concept of insurance works. It's a pooling concept, collecting money from many people and whoever is in need, helping him financially to support his health or the asset. That's the concept of insurance. So, you might be wondering, I can safeguard this 20,000 every year and put in my bank account, and whenever I am hospitalized, I can utilize this amount. Okay, hold. Now, what if you have safeguarded this 20,000 this year and second year as well? So your amount is 40,000 which is in the savings. Now, what if you got hospitalized and your bill amount is 3 lakh rupees? You have only 40,000 in your savings and the bill is 3 lakhs. Who is going to bear the balance 2 lakh 60,000? No one, right? That's the reason the insurance helps you. If you paid 20,000 this year, you don't have claim. You pay 20,000 next year as well, you have a claim. Whatever the claim of 3 lakhs, the majority of the portion from that 3 lakhs will be paid by your insurance company. That's how the insurance company helps you. So, ensure to pay a premium to the insurance company to get a benefit out of those claims whatever you come across.